Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Welcome to Siddha Flow. I'm Kayla, and today we'll be doing a yoga practice for depression. This is a great sequence to do if you're feeling a little bit down or you just want to allow some feelings, allow some emotions to process through you today. You don't need any special equipment, just yourself, an open heart, and open mind. And if you have a yoga mat, go ahead and grab it, and we'll get started. All right, you guys. So today we're going to begin on our backs. So you can come on to your back, slowly lowering on down. And we'll bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees open wide into this nice diamond shape with the legs. And just feeling what's here. Feel your spine release onto the ground. Bring your hand, one hand to your heart, and one hand to your low belly. And just taking a moment here to tune in to your body, to your breath here today, just as you are. Just allowing whatever is here to be here. And taking a nice deep breath into your belly. Feel that breath rise up into your heart. And then full breath out, just letting it go, draining to the earth. Again, inhale through the belly, through your heart. And exhale, letting it go. Just like that, continuing to breathe here. Nice deep belly, heart breaths. Feeling the breath fill through the belly, through the low back. Once more, rising up into the heart. And letting go. Big breath out. Good job. Bringing your hands to the outer knees and drawing the knees slowly into your chest. Wrapping the arms, giving yourself a little hug, maybe rocking a little side to side. And just getting a nice massage to the low back, to that place, the region of the kidneys, the adrenals. Sometimes they can just be holding on, and we want to just tell them it's okay to let go here. Really nice. We're going to tee the arms out to the sides and then shift your hips a little bit to the right. Let your knees drop to the left for a really simple twist. Feel your right shoulder root down. We'll just take a couple breaths here into your body. Twists a really nice way of, rinsing the spine, detoxifying, letting go. As you inhale, just feel your heart expand. And as you exhale, that letting go, softening in. That's it. Slowly, slowly, with your breath coming back through center. And we'll take it over to the other side. So you can shift your hips a little to the left, dropping the knees over to the right. Really simple twist. Feel your left shoulder drop down and just feeling spacious here through the heart. That's it. One more inhale. And as you exhale, twisting, imagine rinsing like a sponge, just letting go. Good. And slowly unwinding, drawing both knees to your chest once more, maybe rocking it out a little bit. And so we have an option to roll to one side to come up to a seat, or if it's feeling good to you today, you might take a little rock and roll here, forward and back. And just so much so that you come up into a seated position on your mat. And so we'll sit comfortably tall. You might sit up onto a roll of a cushion or a blanket. And we'll begin by bringing the hands to the knees. And as you inhale, lift up, open through your heart. And then as you exhale, curl in, round your spine. That's it. Breathing in, lift the heart up. It's like you were basking in the sunshine. And as you exhale, curl in, round, feel the back body open. Just continuing here with your breath. And breathing in and breathing out. That's it. Last one. As you inhale, curl the heart open. Lift the gaze, smiling collarbones. And exhale, round, curl in. Arch your back. Good. Sitting tall, bringing your hands to your heart and just taking a moment to tune into your heart. And bring to mind, bring to heart one thing, that you are sincerely grateful for here today. Just bringing that feeling into your heart. It might be the smallest little thing. As we know, gratitude expands and expands. It's infinite. So just feeling that sense of gratitude into your heart here. Good, and when you're ready, gently flutter open through your eyes. Inhale, sweep your arms, big sweep up to the sky. Good, and exhale, gathering your hands in home to your heart. We're gonna rock forward, coming into hands and knees, finding tabletop. Good, spread the fingers nice and wide, knees under hips, wrists under shoulders, and inhale, drop your belly, open up through your heart. That's it. Exhale, curl in, round the spine. Similar to, our seated cat-cows here, breathing in. Good, and breathing out. Now this next time that you breathe in, lift your heart, we're going to walk the hands forward, coming into melting heart pose. Otherwise known, as puppy dog pose. And it's kind of nice just imagining that playfulness of a puppy. Feeling your heart melt down towards the ground. Last few breaths here, maybe softening in, a layer or two deeper. Really nice. And then taking your time, we're going to come all the way forward onto your belly. I'm going to bring the hands under the shoulders. We'll take some Cobra Rolls here. So just feeling the top of your feet are rooting down. Your hands are under your shoulders. And we engage the legs so the kneecaps lift. And on an inhale, curl the heart up off the ground into this cobra pose. Feeling the sternum draw forward and up. Lifting up a little bit higher if that feels good. Slide the shoulders down your back. And slowly as you exhale, spill your heart forward and down. I'm going to do that just a couple times. Inhale, rolling on up, getting some nice movement through the spine. That's it. Exhale and rolling on down. Good. Last one. Breathing in, rising up and pausing here at the top. Good. Slide the shoulders down your back and feel your heart lift. That's it. Exhale and spill it forward and down. With your hands under the shoulders, we're going to press on back into a child's pose. So your knees can be wide or your knees can be together. Up to you. I want you to just feel what feels best for you here today. And just knowing that, by being here and by practicing, you are taking such good care of yourself. Feel your hips reach back as your fingertips spider walk a little bit forward. Good, and breathe. Sending some nice breath to the lower back, to that area of the kidneys and the adrenals. And stepping out of fight or flight mode. One more inhale. And all the way out. And we're going to slowly rise on up into a seat. Go ahead and bring your legs forward, out in front of you, and come on to your back. Give your knees a little squeeze, draw it in, and just in gratitude, saying thank you to your amazing body, for its ability to heal and to transform. Rocking it out here a little bit. Our last pose before Shavasana, we'll find happy baby. So we'll take the outer edges of the feet and just rock it a little bit here. In this pose, a happy baby, Ananda Balasana, blissful baby pose. You can just imagine that bliss of a baby, that innocence. When you're ready, releasing your feet, extending your legs out long in front of you. And we're coming into Shavasana, our final resting pose. So just getting comfy, letting your legs rest long, the toes flop out to the sides. Shift your shoulder blades just a little bit underneath you. And take a nice full, deep breath in. And open your mouth. Big breath out, exhale. Once more, deep breath in, gratitude, filling. And exhaling, generosity, giving it back. Completely relaxing here, resting, feeling your breath begin to deepen, spreading through your fingers, through your toes, reawakening. And if it feels good, you might inhale and extend your arms up and overhead. Take a nice full body stretch. And sit, and we'll gingerly bend the knees, and you can roll to one side, rising on up, coming into a comfortable seat. Sit kneeling or cross-legged, And as you sit tall, roll your shoulder blades down your spine. Feel the doors of your heart open, the collarbones smiling, and perhaps inviting just an inward smile from ear to opposite ear. And in gratitude, we gather the hands into heart and bowing in to your heart here, thanking yourself for your practice here today, for taking such good care of you. Namaste.